Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 14th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new Forex trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. Link for that can be found up here in the corner. So on the Aussie dollar monthly, I still believe that this is actually going up for either an ABC or possibly a 1, 2, 3. I do believe it is going to go up and take out the higher wave forward. I think this is going to end up being that WXY pattern because I definitely see 3 waves up, 3 waves down. Usually that leads to another 3 waves up and it will lead to a WXY pattern. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where you can start to see the higher highs, higher lows, which makes up this wave A. I think even though this move down is very strong because of the Aussie weakness over the last few months, that this is a wave B, and I do think there's a good chance the wave B is over and that it's just going to keep on going up to make that wave C or possibly that wave 3. Whether it's a wave 3 or whether it's a wave C, at this point definitely doesn't matter to us because the trading strategy is exactly the same either scenario. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, I definitely do see 3 waves down right here. It does make me think that the wave B is over and that this move up right here is actually an overlapping corrective looking trend. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trend, and that this move down is a crescent to that trend, and that we have the end of a crescent, and that this is now just going to start making higher highs and higher lows, telling me that I definitely want to continue to look for long opportunities, especially on the shorter time frames. So let's keep going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci extension on here, and we did bounce off a fib level, but looking how strong this move up right here is, I do think that this move down is going to be a crescent, and I do think it is going to end up continuing the uptrend. Higher time frames are definitely telling me that the trend is up, I think. Shorter time frames are just going to continue to look for pullback entries at the end of any of these crescents I may see. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, it's already starting to look like it's trying to end a correction right there. We are at the 23 level, so if it does close up, especially if it makes an engulfing candle and takes out that high right there, I would consider that a long opportunity, and I would definitely go long for the continuation of the uptrend. If it doesn't turn there, then most likely it'll just turn at one of these other Fibonacci levels. So definitely keep your eye out for a 3 wave pattern and an impulsive move up for your next entry to go long. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.